Welcome to Secure Financial Education. Subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want. This short room makeover video is about how to decorate a living room on a budget. In this video, we will look at a number of different ways to provide a new look to your living room. It may be that you are just starting out in a new home, or that you would like to revive an old tired space, but decorating any room, and especially the living room, can be a real challenge. It can be even more of a challenge when you only have small budget to work with. But the biggest hurdle that we face is how to get a look that expresses our unique personality, without spending a fortune. However, by looking at the items you already have in a different way, you should be able to create a cozy family room for almost next to nothing. Below are provided a number of decorating tips which should help to turn a drab living room into a warm and friendly place for everybody to gather. Number 1. Paint. Paint one wall using your favorite color, and so make this the focal point of the room. Paint is one of the most inexpensive ways to decorate a room. Next, place a nice piece of furniture on that side of the room to provide even more accent to the wall. Number 2. Mirrors. When hanging a mirror, place it in a position where it will reflect either a nice view or an interesting architectural element of the room. Including a mirror in a room also creates the illusion of more space in a room because of the light reflecting off it. Number 3. Lighting. Adding or replacing lamps will add to the style of any room. If you are unable to replace the whole lamp, then just consider replacing the lampshade. Number 4. Coffee table. If your coffee table is looking tired or scratched, then cover it with a small decorative throw rug or piece of fabric. Number 5. Rearrange the furniture. By doing this, you are giving a whole new look to the layout of your room, and is much more inexpensive than going out and buying new furniture. Number 6. Plants. Use plants to add freshness and impact to the decor of your room, and if placed strategically, will hide any ugly flaws in a room. Number 7. Declutter. By decluttering a space, you will not only be providing yourself with more room, but you will also be gaining a whole new look. I hope that these tips have given you some ideas for freshening up your space on a budget. Please leave your thoughts below, we would love to hear your thoughts. Please comment below, your opinion is important. Be sure to subscribe to the channel. We have the answers you need for the life you want.